Hello, I hope you're having a good day. Today we're testing a new feature from Elementor that is out in beta 3.19. The feature is new display conditions, and basically we could set to an element a condition, and then based on the condition we're able to show the element or not. I have the plugin beta set on my local computer, so I could go ahead and start testing it. This feature is really cool. Let's cut to the chase and start testing the feature. So let's go into desktop page, any page we could pick. Let's take a look at this page, edit with Elementor. Okay, we have here a page with some blocks of text. Let's pick one. Advanced. Display conditions. Let's see which conditions we have. So we have post parent. We could set if to show this element or not based on the page pair or not. Okay. Also based on the author. So let's try it based on this. We could the site currently only has one author, which is admin. Let's add it. So currently, let's update the text here. We'll call it admin block. All right. And the condition is, I believe we said that only if admin created this page, it should be shown. Let's take a look how this page looks. And now, where's our admin block? Here's our admin block. Let's go ahead and change the condition to show if it's not admin. Now we could see the admin block is gone because this page is created by admin, which is my user. The condition says, hey, if the page is not created by admin, don't show the block. Let's see which other conditions we have. Advanced, display conditions, category. So if the page has a certain category, we could show the element or not. So these are pretty simple and straightforward. Date modified, we could set to show or not based on the date that the page is modified. This page was modified today, which we are January 17. So let's see if it was modified after yesterday. Then F date is modified. And this is important. We're going after the server time. The reason it's important, the local time could be different than the server time, meaning the server could be set to one time and the local time could be different. So this widget seems like it goes by the server time. All right. So we added. So basically, if the date is modified after yesterday, then we will show this block. Let's update this text. Alright, so the text now is date block, that's what we'll know. And now we should show up in the preview, I believe, because it was modified after yesterday. And now here we could see the date block. Now let's change the date. We will change the condition to be before. So now it will only show it is modified before yesterday. And now this date block below admin block should be gone. Let's see. And it's gone. We don't see this block anymore because the condition of the date is to hide it if it was edited before yesterday. Let's take a look which other conditions we have. date of publish, it's similar to modified, but it will look at the date that the page or post was published. The author we showed already. Login status is pretty cool. We could show data to logged in users or not logged in users. So currently I'm logged in. So let's call this block. We'll modify the text to logged in. And let's duplicate it and create another block. We'll call it I'm logged out. Alright, now let's add a condition here to show it only if we logged out. Alright, so now we should be able to see only one of these blocks, or logged in or logged out. And now we could see the block that I'm logged in. Let's take a look at this post in a new tab. Let's open up incognito. And now we see I'm logged out. So this is a pretty useful feature, especially for websites with members. We could do a lot of useful elements and have one page with content for logged in users and not logged in users without duplicating pages. So it's really convenient. Let's see which other conditions we have. We could also set by a role. We have all of the roles of the users in the website. I have a store set up on this site, so I could see customer and shop manager as well. This is really useful as well. I'm not going to repeat it because it's the same idea as logged in. Also, registration date, we could show different messages to different users or hide it if they are new users or users with more seniority in the website. So okay, so you think, okay, this is a cool thing, but how can it help me? How can it help my website? So the really cool part with this feature is that with a little bit code we could easily add more conditions. So I'll show, for example, 2 conditions that I added with a little bit of code. By a little bit of code, I'll show you exactly what is a little bit of code. So one example will be geolocation region. So I set a little bit of code to be able to detect by IP the user location. So for example, let's set that only in Florida we're able to see this block. So let's pick a different block. Actually, this example I created already. So Digital Ninja Nevada. This block is set to be shown. Let's say the condition is not in Arizona. Let's start by showing it in Nevada. Alright, and this should be shown in California. Because I'm on my local computer, it doesn't really pick up my state because my IP is my local computer IP, but I could go into the code and fake which state I am from the code. So this is a file, by the way. This is a file that adds the geolocation feature we've seen. It's one file and that's it. So we will tell the computer that I'm in Nevada. Okay, user state Nevada. Now let's take a look what we could see here. We will preview this page. Because I'm in Nevada, I should see now only the top one, Digital Ninjas Nevada, not the California. Let's preview, and here I could see only Nevada. Let's change it to California. Instead of NV, I'll put CA. Now let's reload the page. And now we see California. Now we could do all of the states beyond California and Nevada. So let's add one. Let's duplicate this tab, duplicate. We'll call it all states, all other states. Let's set the condition right here to be is not California and not Nevada. Now we'll set our location to a different state, for example Arizona, and we will take a look here. We still see California, which is interesting. Let's see why. We didn't refresh, so now we see all other states because we're now in Arizona, which is not California, not Nevada. So this is really useful, and we could do it worldwide. So a lot of interesting features for localization could be set. A free worldwide extension. This is one example. Another example, imagine we have a store. I set up here a small store with one product. And I have here one product, a lamp. And I want to be able to show ad when the price is low, like a low price banner or something. So let's go into the template in Elementor of this product. And I already set here an element, I called it low price, and it has a condition. And by the way, this is not part of the plugin. This is another part of code that developed it right here. This is all the code that was needed to add this feature. It's like how many lines? 92 lines of code, and most of it is copy paste from the other one. So it was really fast to add it. So it's really simple to add these features. So here we have this element. We have a condition, and the condition is if product price is less than 20, then show this element. So it means now we cannot see the banner because it's 30. So let's go inside the products. We'll modify the price of the product to 10. Products, quick edit, 10, update. Now let's reload our page, and here we could see our banner. Another way I could have just to show that the condition works, I could go here and I could change it only if the price is lower than 5, then show the banner. Now we won't use the banner anymore because the condition is now set at $5. Above it won't show. So for summary, this is a really cool feature. I'm waiting it to come out already. And if you have any other cool ideas to add condition, feel free to add in the comments. Maybe we could do another video with a lot more example for conditions. It could be very interesting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.